Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing one of the most talked about budget-friendly stabilizers, the FeiyuTech AK2000. Let's get into it and see how it feels, how the body is made, and if it's worth your money. Now, first thing to notice about the AK2000 is the build. It has a solid aluminium alloy body which makes it premium and durable. The joints are firm, the arms feel stable, and the clean finishing gives it a professional look. Another nice highlight of the gimbal is the handle. Now FeiyuTech went in with a thick, comfortable grip, so it doesn't just look good. It actually helps when shooting for a long period of time because it actually helps with hand fatigue. On the front, you have a small touchscreen which gives you access to easy controls and operations of the gimbal, and it's really nice for a gimbal of this price. If you think about it, the AK2000 has strong motors which support up to 2.8 kg of weight. Now, what that means is it can carry most DSLR and mirrorless cameras easily. In use, the AK2000 feels stable and confident. The weight is balanced, the grip gives you control, and the build quality makes you feel like it can survive real-world shooting environments. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not the lightest stabilizer, so if you shoot handheld for a while, you're going to feel it. So overall, the FeiyuTech AK2000 has a strong build, has premium materials, and has good handling experience. So if you want a solid gimbal body that doesn't break the bank, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed what you just watched, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next one, and kindly share the video so a friend of friend can watch it. And if you want a full body test or setup guide, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.